Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the PayPal Cash Debit Mastercard, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add this PayPal debit card into our Apple Pay wallet. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with PayPal Cash Debit Mastercard, basically what it is you can attach and order this debit MasterCard that is attached directly to your PayPal account. Now don't confuse this with your PayPal prepaid card. This is actually a card that you have to go through and activate through your PayPal account, completely different than a prepaid card. If you don't have one of these already, be sure to go back and watch my other video. I'll try to leave a link in the video description. It goes step by step on how to order a PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard attached to your PayPal. But the question is, can we add that into our Apple Pay wallet? We're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Apple Wallet. It's this black and colorful one right here. It's called Wallet. If you don't know what this is, basically what you can do is you can add debit cards and credit cards into your Apple Wallet that's attached to your iPhone. That way when you're at the register, you can actually just pay for things with your phone. You don't even need to have a regular credit card or debit card or the plastic card with you, as long as it's been set up through your wallet. If you don't know how to set that up, be sure to watch my other video, how to set up your Apple iPhone Wallet Pay. I'm going to open it now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up my Apple Pay wallet. This is the home screen, so you can see various cards and credit cards, also different coupons and things that you can attach to your wallet. But we're not going to worry about that. What we're going to do is try to figure out if we can add our PayPal MasterCard into the wallet. And how do you do that? Pretty easy. Just click on this plus sign right here on the top right. It's this black dot. That way you can add in more debit cards and credit cards. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this warning pops up. It says you can add cards to Apple Pay to send money to friends and make secure purchases in stores, in apps, and on the web. A lot of things will accept Apple Pay these days, so I'm going to go ahead and click continue now. Alright, next this drop down menu happens, and then you can choose between adding a credit or debit card or applying for an Apple Card. I'm not sure exactly what that is. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. I don't have an Apple Card. So what you want to do is click this credit or debit card line right here. I'm going to click on this little arrow now. Alright, once you click there, then you can either scan your credit card or debit card, or scan your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard, or you can enter the information in manually. I like to enter my information in manually, so I'm going to go ahead and click this blue line down here. Alright, I went ahead and clicked there, and this screen is where you're going to enter your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard information. Your name pops up here. Next, you want to go ahead and enter the card number. The interesting thing about PayPal Cash Debit MasterCards is the number is on the back of the card. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over and enter the card number in off screen now. Alright, I went ahead and entered in my card number and my name here off screen. I'm going to go ahead and click next. It's this blue button here on the top right. I'm going to click there now. Alright, I went ahead and clicked there, and then I got this warning saying that this card is not eligible for Apple Pay. Learn more about currently supported cards. So what I'm going to do is click Learn More now. Alright, next it brings up this long list of cards and banks that currently support Apple Pay. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to PayPal Cash, and that's all the way down to the P section. Wow, it's a really long list. So here we are right here on the S's, R, here's P. I'm going to scroll up to PA. Let me see a little bit further. Here we are at PA. And yeah, it looks like PayPal is not listed here. So that answers the question, can you add your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard into Apple Pay to use with your Apple Wallet? It looks like at the time of this recording, no, you cannot use this on your Apple Pay. Hopefully in the future they roll out that function, because Apple Pay is really a convenient thing to use. But hopefully that answered your question. If you know if that process has changed, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.